Hey guys, this one looks very simple, but many students still get it wrong. Let's solve it calmly together. Question: 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8, equals. Options are A, 0, B, 2, C, 4, D, 8. Pause the video before answer reveal. Common mistake. Some students think 8 minus 8 equals 0. 0, 8 minus 8 equals 0. They start from the left instead of solving the bracket first. Correct solution. Step 1. Start with the bracket. Always begin with what's inside the bracket. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Step 2. Multiply. Now we multiply the number outside the bracket. 8 times 0 equals 0. So now the expression becomes 8 minus 0. Step 3. Subtract. 8 minus 0 equals 8. That's correct answer. Class, always respect brackets first. They decide everything.